Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry noodles. First, ensure all your ingredients are prepped and ready to go. Chop your chosen vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Next, cook your noodles according to package directions, aiming for a slightly firm texture, then drain and set aside. Finally, whisk together your sauce components in a small bowl, ensuring everything is well combined for a smooth flavor. Now let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat until it's shimmering. Add your harder vegetables like carrots and broccoli first. Stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to become tender crisp. Then, toss in your softer vegetables, such as bell peppers and snap peas, and continue to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, keeping everything moving. With your vegetables perfectly cooked, it's time to add your protein. If you're using chicken, shrimp, or tofu, make sure it's cooked through and browned before adding it back to the wok. Now, introduce your cooked noodles and pour in that delicious sauce you prepared earlier. Gently toss everything together using tongs or a spatula, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable and protein is beautifully coated in the flavorful sauce. Your easy stir-fry noodles are almost ready. For a final touch, sprinkle some fresh chopped green onions and a dash of toasted sesame seeds over the top. These garnishes add a wonderful pop of color and extra flavor. Serve your delicious creation immediately to enjoy it at its peak freshness and warmth. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.